Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below, and while you're there, just hit that like button. Okay guys, so in today's video I will be sharing with you guys what I carry in my handbag / carry-on when I am traveling. The bag that I always carry with me when I'm traveling is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM. And I did mention this in my airport outfit ideas video, which I will have linked right here. But yes, let me show you what I carry in my bag. This is what the inside of it looks like. I pretty much have it organized with an organizer, but I will just show you what's in here. Not sure if it's easier for me to turn it this way, maybe. But first thing I have in this bag are just some headphones. These are wireless, and I'll just listen to some music or an audiobook. I don't know, watch some Netflix, things like that with these. Then I just have my sunglasses. I actually have 2 pairs in this bag. I have these, which I love. And then these, which are dirty. Next thing I have in here is my cell phone, which is what I would use to listen to my audiobook and things like that. These are just some headphones that I picked up from the dollar store. These are for my toddler, and this is what he'll use to, you know, watch YouTube. He loves CoComelon, but this is what he'll use to listen to that. Then let's go for the big stuff. This is in no order. I bring my laptop with me. If anything, if I have to type anything like that, I'll do this on my laptop. If my toddler wants to watch TV or anything like that, he can use my laptop as well. And then what I do is anytime I'm traveling, I try to bring a folder with the stuff that I'm going to be doing where I'm at. So that's what I have in this folder, just some paperwork. Next thing, once again, is for my toddler, because if you have children, you know that your world just revolves around your children once you have them. So this is just a little book. He loves to read. This is waterproof. It's squishy. And yeah, he loves Sesame Street as well. So we have this. Some socks. I love to bring socks just in case it's really cold at the airport. I just throw my socks on if I'm not wearing some already. And then once again, for the toddler, I have some spare clothes just in case he messes stuff up. I have some pants, a shirt, long pants. This is a short sleeve top, and then I also packed some socks for him, and what I do is I just put it all like that so that it's just one. Then in this little section of my organizer, I just packed some snacks for my toddler. These are just little pouches, and then these little yogurt chips that he enjoys. Stick those right back in there. Of course, passports. Honestly, these things are tricky. I cannot tell you how many times I've traveled and I'm always asked to please take my passport out of the holder, but I guess aesthetically just looks really nice. And yeah, these are our passport holders, which I do bring with me. Then I have this little pouch thing that I got because one time I forgot to bring my headphones, so I bought these off of the flight attendant on JetBlue, so I just actually kept it. And in here I have all of my little cords. I have another set of earphones in here. I have, sorry about my phone, I have this adapter for my wireless headphones in case I want to watch a movie on the flight. I just bought this adapter from the dollar store. And this is the charger for my wireless headphones. And just like I said, another pair of earphones. And lastly, I just have the earphones that came with my iPhone. Next, I have this carry-on approved little pouch. I got this from Amazon, and in here I have some Kleenex, which is a must-have for me. You know, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really stuffy right now. I've been sick, but I love carrying Kleenex because you never know when you're going to need it, either for your nose or if you make a mess, anything like that. I have my Kleenex with me. I have some gum, chapstick, because my lips tend to get really dry in general, but for some reason when I'm traveling, the chances of my lips being dry just definitely goes way up. Some tampons, because you never know. And I also pack a couple of pads for the same reason, because you never know. Then I just have some floss, and I have floss with actually my toothbrush and my toothpaste, because you know, sometimes you eat, or when you travel, you just, I don't know, your mouth feels yucky. You probably eat something with onions or things like that. You just want to brush your teeth and definitely floss. I'm going to be honest, I'm not the greatest with the flossing, but you know, I've been having problems with my lower back teeth, so I'm definitely practicing the brushing and the flossing more often. Another tampon. Right here I have boogie wipes. I've mentioned this before in another what's in my bag I did. I don't remember which one, but I did mention boogie wipes. These are amazing if you're traveling, definitely in the winter, or just to have in the winter time in general. Boogie wipes are amazing. They're not as rough on your nose. They're moisturizing, and they're just great, not only for your children, but for adults as well. Whenever I travel, I love to have my power external battery with me. I love this thing. It goes on for hours, and I just picked it up on Amazon, but it goes in here. And then just some more hair ties. Then in this little other carry-on approved little clear pouch here, I have just some, you know, medication in case you need some vitamin C, because once again, you're traveling, you're going to be around multitudes of people from different countries, and the chances of you getting sick just goes up. So why not just have some vitamin C? And these are from Airborne. Then here I just have some Benadryl. So my toddler has allergies, and I just like to carry these just in case anything happens. I want to have these just to be safe. Then this is just some Imodium in case you end up with diarrhea for any reason, whether it's anxiety or something you ate. I also have some Zyrtec for allergies, seasonal allergies as well. This right here is just some travel day cream in case for any reason I just want to moisturize my face while traveling. Some hand lotion. I love carrying hand lotion if you're washing your hands often, or if your hands just feel dry. I love having some hand lotion with me. It's more of Band-Aids and some hand sanitizer. If you're unable to get to a bathroom and wash your hands and you're gonna go eat something, at least use some hand sanitizer. I think everyone should carry hand sanitizer with them, not only while traveling, but while having a handbag in general. Hand sanitizer is a must. Next, just some markers and pens, a little lip gloss. This is actually the NYX Butter Gloss in Chocolate Crepe. I love how this one looks. I love that it's a gloss with a little bit of color, and I just love the color on my skin tone. I did mention before that my toddler has really bad allergies. So, just to be safe, even though I will stay away from the stuff he's allergic to, I like to bring his EpiPen with me. This is so important, guys. I cannot tell you how many times I've forgotten this thing in the panic, and how it just changes your emotions around everything. And I don't know, just to stay away from that feeling and to be safe in general, not only for your child, but sometimes there are people out there that have forgotten these, and these things saves lives, allergies are no joke. They're very dangerous. So I'm practicing bringing this EpiPen with me everywhere. And then what I do just in case is the EpiPens come with a trainer, and I like to bring this with me just in case I'm around someone, or even as yourself, if you forget how to use it because it's not something that you use often, carry this with you so that it just gives you a run through of how to use it, because it's so important. The key thing though is making sure that in that emergency, because you're so afraid, not grabbing the trainer and trying to administer the trainer instead of the actual medication. Just pay attention to how this looks. This one is green, the trainer is blue. I just had to touch on that really quick because I personally know how dangerous an allergic reaction can be, especially a severe allergic reaction, which is another reason why I carry Benadryl, which I mentioned before. But yeah, EpiPen. And last but not least, tons and tons of snacks. Snacks are so important. As we know, airport food is so expensive. Will I have to buy water? Yes, because, I can't bring the water in my bag. It's too big. They'll make me throw it out anyways. So I definitely pack snacks, and then I'll buy the water while I'm there. This actually also gives me the chance to pack a healthier snack. These are just chocolate dipped granola bars, which aren't that healthy, but compared to chips, I'm sure it's healthier. Just a fiber brownie, this Elevation apple pie, which is gluten-free, and some Nature Valley XL protein bars. I love these things, guys. These, keep you full for so long. They're amazing. It has 15 grams of protein. It's gluten-free, and if you're counting calories, it only has 280 calories per bar. Sorry, this turned into a quick little health session, but yeah, I have all of these snacks with me. No, I didn't mention, once again for the toddlers, some diapers and wipes. And that is it, guys. Actually, if you have any suggestions on things that I could include in my travel bag whenever I'm traveling, let me know in the comment section down below. I enjoy these kinds of videos myself because there are things that I forget to carry. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Until next time.